There's a lot of confusion around forgiveness. Some people think forgiving someone means going back, reopening the door, rebuilding the relationship exactly as it was. But forgiveness and reconnection are not the same thing. Forgiveness is internal, access is external. You can release resentment without restoring proximity. You can let go of the anger without letting someone back into your inner world. Forgiveness isn't about pretending it didn't hurt. It's about deciding you don't want to carry the weight of it anymore. And sometimes the most loving thing you can do for yourself is forgive someone and adjust the distance. Today's shift is this: you can forgive without reopening the door. Let's say that together. I can forgive without reopening the door. Letting go doesn't mean going back, and healing does not require putting yourself in the same position again. Peace doesn't demand proximity, it asks for clarity. You can release the pain without re entering the pattern.